Light here. Just wanted to give you an update on my garden and the garden mode. So everything is looking better. What I actually did was put some more holes in the bottom of the containers and then place them up on wood so it can drain whenever it rains. So technically the mold is still there on some, but it's not as bad. It gets to dry up when the sun comes out, and it's not affecting my plants thus far. So that's a good thing. Finally have some blossoms on the crooked neck squash, and this is the straight neck squash. And my okras are starting to grow better. And here some zucchini, some blossoms. And I have a bell pepper over here. This is the red bell pepper. Oh, it's looking lovely. So I'm excited about that. And then another one under here is starting. And this is the cucumber plant, which has its first flower. And so the tendrils are starting to grow and connect to the wire. And over here, we have strawberries. Look, y'all. You can see in there. They're starting. And actually what I've had to do, I guess you would call it, I'm hand pollinating them. I would get a little small brush or a cotton Q-tip and then go on the inside of one and then go on the inside of another. Just kind of go around the flowers to pollinate them. Because I haven't actually seen any bees up here. Plenty of wasps come and visit, which I guess they can spread too, but I rather make sure that my plants are pollinating each other. So I'm doing it myself. And over here, this is green bell pepper. And we have a little one over there and some flowers blossoming. What I've noticed in my gardens is that with the squash, the flowers are more open in the morning. So that's when I come out and cross-pollinate them myself. So I hope you find this video handy. It's just a little quick update that my container garden is doing a whole lot better than it was. And like I said, as I did, we put a hole in the bottom, and they got some wood and put underneath the baskets on the left and the right side to help with the drainage. Thank you for watching this video. If you would, please leave a comment, like, and subscribe to help me grow my YouTube channel. I would greatly appreciate it. All right, have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.